The UPF Interactive Technologies Research Group focuses on human-computer interaction and advanced 3D graphics, especially through the web. Within the overall goal of creating virtual characters of very high visual quality, sentient to the context and test paradigms for interaction, the GTI has contributed in different work packages. We define a protocol based on the BML standard to specify how the character has to behave and trigger the corresponding actions. For the render part, we explore different techniques to improve the skin, the eyes, and the hair for web visualization. Apart from that, we have implemented two use cases that show most of the results of all the work. First, the virtual clerk, Eva, helps her university colleagues by giving instructions to find researchers, groups, or locations. Then, the registration authority officer use case of InfoCert, which is an extension of the virtual clerk that uses the security module. In this case, besides asking for information, users can book a venue once they are registered on the system and authenticated themselves. To create the use cases, we developed a system that consists of two modules, a behavior planner and a behavior realizer. Both modules are decoupled from each other. Thus, each of these modules can be used independently in any application. The Behavior Planner is a web application that uses modified decision trees to determine the behavior of a conversational agent. The trees are presented as a graph in the web editor to provide visual support with which to design complex behaviors using a node-based programming approach. Depending on user inputs and the context, the tree can decide what actions the agent can take or what the application should do. These actions can include verbal and nonverbal speech, changes in posture, and emotion based on the VML standard. Decision trees can be exported and used in any application that includes the Behavior Planner library. For example, in the reference implementation and Unreal, using a Node.js plugin.
Now I need to take a picture of your face.
Okay.
Please open your app and scan the QR code you see on the screen. Please wait a few more seconds. Thank you. Can you please say your first and last name?
Robert Bishop.
Thank you. You have been authenticated. Please select the room you want to book.
Auditorium.
Please select the time you want to book the venue.
Friday 17 at 6.
Do you confirm the information of your booking?
Yes.
To interpret and execute the behaviors generated by the Behavior Planner or other applications, the Behavior Realizer can be used. The actions are organized in time through temporal marks and can include verbal and nonverbal behaviors, following the BML instructions. It also can be used in combination with a sensory system that can integrate inputs and show the appropriate emotional reactions of the character, like University of Oxford did. The face and head animations were created procedurally based on functions to modify the blend sheet's weights and bend rotations. With each BML instruction, we can specify how to interpolate between them. The Behavior Realizer can not only be used in this context, but also in sign language cases. For example, in the sign-on project, where the signer performs a set of consecutive signs apart from the face gestures and expressions to communicate and to test animations.